Hello, welcome to um, Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Ano po? So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Okay. So, wait lang ha. So, kinuha ko lang tong card na gagamitin ko. Hindi ko pala siya na-ready bago ako mag-intro. But anyway, so this is for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Paki-comment na lang dyan sa baba kasi hindi pa, ano po yun eh. Free naman yung mag-comment. And sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo. Pagpasensya nyo na lang po yung pagsasalita ko. May mga times na medyo para akong nabubulol or something na hindi ko kasi maibuka ng maayos yung bibig ko ngayon. Unfortunately, no, ka-adjust lang po ng aking braces. So, medyo may mga masasakit po sa bibig ko ngayon. Anyway, tuloy natin yung reading. You do have the Lovers, the King of Swords, Ace of Swords, and Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Pentacles. Okay. So, you are the King of Swords actually. Very professional. Sa ngayon, gusto ko yung energy mo kasi utak mo yung ginagamit mo eh, lalo na with the Ace of Swords. Ikaw ito na parang pagdating sa relasyon or sa pakikipagrelasyon, utak mo ang ginagamit mo. I feel like you're working on yourself with the Eight of Pentacles. Wini-work out mo yung, pwedeng sarili mo or yung pagdating sa usaping love, parang wala ka munang pakialam or masyadong tingin dito. Basta you keep on growing, lalo na sa financially. The Lovers is here. If ever na ikaw ay nasa isang relationship, pwedeng itong relationship na to, pwedeng ikaw ay nasusunod, ganun. So, it's easy for you na i-cut off or tapusin ang isang relasyon, lalo na kung ikaw ay nasusunod. Or maybe there's another connection na sa'yo, may connection na sa'yo, na parang iniisip mo, parang mas okay pa yata i-cut off, or wala na lang ito, ganon. Sino to person na nakakonect mo? Person na nakakonect mo. Four of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. One more card. Okay, dalawa yung lumabas. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako. Okay, pagpasensyahan mo na talaga yung mga short breaks ko. Talaga medyo masakit lang talaga yung bibig ko ngayon. Anyway, the Four of Pentacles is someone na parang tinatago niya lang lahat sa sarili niya. You know, this person with the Ace of Wands, I don't know if this could be a new person. Nasasaktan ng taong to ngayon. May mga realization siya. And I feel like this person is, this is showing to me as dreams, pero parang nasasaktan siya tuwing napapanaginipan ka niya.
So, this could be a new person or past person. Temperance kasi pwedeng itong taong tumatagal na naghihintay. And with the moon, yan, the moon, this is Pisces energy. So, pwedeng talagang lumalabas ka sa panaginip ng taong to. And pwedeng marami siyang isinisikreto sa'yo. The Star and the Page of Wands is here. So, gustong-gusto niya nang magkaroon ng communication. Andun yung, or kung may communication na ngayon sa inyo, maybe may mga gusto siyang sabihin pa. Na pwedeng hindi niya masabi. So anyway, anong emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? We do have here the 5 of Swords, 8 of Cups, and the 3 of Swords. Clarify the 3 of Swords, please. The Strength card, Wheel of Fortune. Emotion ng taong ito para sa'yo. The Judgment is here. The High Priestess. Hindi ko yung kukunin, guys, ah. The 5 of Cups. And the King of Pentacles. Clarify ko yung King of Pentacles. What's with the King of Pentacles? Ace of Pentacles and the Hierophant. I feel like itong person nito, alam niyang marami kang kayang i-offer. At marami kang naituro or maituturo at natutunan na sa'yo. Kumbaga itong tao. Marami ka na naituro sa kanya. At alam niyang marami pa siyang matututunan or malalaman. And alam mo, with the High Priestess and the Judgment, pwedeng nagising itong person na ito sa connection or kung ano meron sa inyong dalawa. Especially he or she is having dreams of you. Lagi kanya napapanaginipan. Nagising siya. Ngayon nalulungkot siya, nasasaktan siya. Kasi pwede may mga challenges sa inyong dalawa or there's this needs to, with the Queen of Swords, na parang kailangan i-cut off itong other options, the 9 of Cups, and might be the Tower. So, Tower is an ending, so might be may mga kailangan gawing ending. Pero parang mahirap eh. So, ngayon, nagkakaroon ng pag-i-struggle itong person ito. Lalo na hindi kasi siya ganun ka-open na tao. So, what will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? The Magician, the Hermit, Eight of Swords, one last card, 10 of Cups, the Death card, the Star, and the Knight of Cups. The Justice card. Ano yung mutual energy dito? Oh my gosh. This is the Two of Cups. Anyway, there's a possibility na with the magician in the future, ang focus mo is yung sarili mo. Wala kang iniisip na iba. Maybe, if you are already in a relationship, I can see you being single. The Hermit, this is Virgo energy. Tsaka in the Magician, I don't know, there's this single energy here. So, pwedeng, in the future, may malaking pagbabago. Pwedeng magkaroon ng ending with regard sa family or someone who is, pwedeng yung iba, business, career, gano'n. But there's definitely an ending. May mag-end. Pero, isipin mo lang lagi na kung ano man yung ending, may new beginning na naghihintay, lalo, na maaaring mas maganda para sa'yo. And you do have here, the Death card. Medyo ibaba ko lang. Ayan, the Death card. I feel like may mag-e-end sa inyong dalawa ng person ito in the future. The Star, dahil dito sa ending na to, gagawa na ng paraan itong person na ito para ma-accomplish or makuha yung bagay na gusto niya. Maybe it has something to do with you. Okay? And the Two of Cups is here. So, I can see relationship sa inyong dalawa ng taong ito in the future. Honestly, you know. Maaring hindi ka sigurado sa ngayon. The Four of Cups, the way I say this, pwedeng may mga wishy-washy na pag-iisip ka pa. Hindi mo alam kung anong mangyari, anong gagawin, etc. But eventually, you will end up with this person. Nakaamoy ako ng something na luma. Like lumang lampara. Ang weird, hindi ko alam kung anong amoy yun, pero yun yung naalala ko, yung amoy niya mismo. So, I don't know, maybe you're doing something na may kinalaman doon. And soon enough, you will be happy. The Sun. Okay, nakita tayo na masayang reconciliation. And Knight of Wands, maybe someone is going to reconcile or mag-travel. And maybe this is the person. Pwedeng makipag-reconcile or mag-travel papunta sa'yo. Or vice versa, kung ikaw itong malayo, may pag-travel. And I can see happiness here. And with the World, this is like someone being complete. And maaaring imposible man ngayon, pero makukumpleto ka rin kasama itong taong ito. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.